Hello friends, my name is Akash Agrawal. In this video, I will show you about reconnaissance. Reconnaissance is the phase of gathering information. Some people thought that it is very boring phase, but trust me, it is very important phase. So first of all, we need IP addresses and all other stuff. So first of all, we will go to google.com and we enter information about the organization. So we want to gain information about the organization, so enter uh, its DNS name. So I will go for apple.com. So this is apple.com. If we want to gain more information about apple.com, so there are a lot of stuff in this website, so check it as you can. Go to many links in the website and search what are the information given in it. After that, we will go to website name Whois Lookup. So type in search bar Whois Lookup. It will show you the website. Now come to link whois.domaintool.com, and in the website enter the domain which you want to gain IP addresses and domain list. So I want to check about apple.com. So go for it and search. It will tell you domain administrator, registrar, uh, and date where it will be created, and name servers. It will show lot of information. It will show IP addresses. It will show location where the company is really located now. It will show the website title and server type and too many stuff. After that, you gain too much information from this website, then you will go for another tool which is known as Netcraft. So type in search bar Netcraft and enter. The first website you will visit it, and now this website show you the lot of information about your targeted information. So in the so in this website you will enter the IP address of targeted organization. I will in my phase it is apple.com, so I will write www.apple.com and then enter lookup. It will generate a report of about the apple.com, the title, the date first seen, it will come to know, and the NetBlock owner, who is the owner, name server, organization, name server, and it will also show IPv6 address, which is very important when gaining information. So note it down, and IP addresses. It will show hosting companies like Akamai Technologies. It will show reverse DNS and too many stuff. It will show the IP ranges. What are the ranges, and the country where these IP ranges located. It will also show SSL or TLS information, HTTPS site. So go for HTTPS site report. Then it will show too many stuff, TLS extension, and too many steps. So note as you can, because it is very important in next phases. After that, you will be gain IP addresses of per. So go for command prompt and type ping www.apple.com and go for it. It will send ping packets to the apple.com and return it will return the ping packets. After that you will gain uh, the targeted information. So now you will go to trace route. So for trace route you have a command tracert www.apple.com. Now enter. It will show the route how the website is coming to you. So it is very important how in how the website is coming to you. It will show original DNS server DNS name. So note it down. It is very important. After that you will gain too many information. Then you will visit Wayback Machine or Internet Archive and click enter. In this website, if you want to know the information of organization deleted from website or not, so website is deleted too many information from its website, but actually it is not deleted. It is present in the internet anywhere. So to check it, we have a website internetarchive.com, or it is also known as Wayback Machine. So in the search bar type the DNS name, that is www.apple.com, and go. In the Wayback Machine you will show lot of information. So currently it is 2020, and if you want to go any in way back, then you will go for 2005 and check in which date you have too many data. So uh, in March 24 2005 it show the snapshots. Click it and it will generate the information. Now you have too much information about the organization. Clicking on each link you have too much. So in March 2005 uh, uh, Apple was deleted uh, two images from its website, and it will show to you. Similar thing you have done for too many website. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my video.